Hey y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends. So you've probably been wondering where I've been. A little life update that nobody asked for. I have been in school for like the past 6 months, so I've really been locked into my schoolwork. I honestly did not have the mental capacity to focus on school and like try to make YouTube content. And when I did try to make the content, I just didn't feel present in like my videos, so I didn't post them. But now I feel like I'm okay. I'm in a better headspace to make more content. I start clinicals literally tomorrow and I'm so excited. But this is a lock video for y'all. This is my 3-year and 2-month lock update. We finally made it to 3 years of being locked. How mad would y'all be if I came back and I didn't have no locks? Like, would y'all be mad at me? Because I probably would be mad at myself. Like, surprise, I combed out my locks. Even though I was gone for like 3 months without posting content, like I'm gonna always come back and I'm always gonna share my lock videos with y'all and how my journey's going. This is gonna be a 3-year lock update, I guess, for y'all, because I've been dealing with some stuff with my locks. First, I am going to do a 360 for y'all. I'm just being so dramatic. I probably need to mist my hair. Does my hair look like it's getting longer? I can't really tell. Like, I don't know. I feel like I just look at my hair and I'm just like, is she getting longer? I don't know. But this is just water. I'm just misting it so she can lay a little bit before I show y'all the 360. But I try to mist my hair now on the regular with water because my hair has been extremely dry. I don't know why, but she be screaming at me sometimes. My locks just been like, girl, it's summer. Why haven't you been giving us water? Like, we can tell you're not giving us water. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 for y'all. So that's what my locks are looking like. Now let's get into the update. I'm not going to be doing a retwist video today because I did retwist like mid-June, but my next retwist will probably be the beginning of August, and I'll make sure that I record that process for y'all. But my locks have been giving me all types of craziness. So first things first, my hair has been shedding like crazy. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. I've been trying different things. It actually kind of calmed down since I've started misting my hair at least twice a week, but doing the no misting, no watering, like I'm definitely seeing the effects of it. At one point, every time like I put my hands through my hair, it was just shedded hair everywhere. Like even over the sink, if I try to style my hair, shedded hair was all over the sink. I'm not sure why my Loc Sprinkles started falling out. I was even contemplating about cutting out my Loc Sprinkles because I would just find them everywhere. I would find them in the shower, in the bed, on the floor, in the kitchen, in the living room, on the couch. I would find them everywhere, and I was just getting so frustrated because I'm like, what's going on with my hair? Like, why is my hair shedding so much? Like, it was just overwhelming. But I didn't. I decided to do a trim with my locks. I trimmed off just like a little bit, maybe not even like a full inch, maybe like a ½ inch of hair on certain locks, not all of them. The ones where I felt like I had like curls still on the end of my locks, I kind of figured those were the ones that were shedding the most, so I kind of trimmed those ends. Especially in the front, I kind of have more layers in the front. I don't know if you can tell. You probably can't really tell a big difference because I did not cut that much off, but I tried to make them as even as possible. I still have some curly ends, especially in the front. It's like my hair's trying to like curl, like revert or something. Like I haven't seen these ringlets in a minute, like real ringlets. I don't know what's going on. But I really did try my best to like make it even on both sides, so I wouldn't be walking around with uneven locks because that's the last thing I want. So yeah, I trimmed my locks thinking that it would help, but it only made it worse. I was having clumps of hair falling out. I don't know what was going on, but the shedding did kind of slow down a little bit like a couple weeks later after I trimmed my hair. Conditioner is a must for me now. I use it every time that I wash my hair. There's no skipping it. Like, I have to use it or the shedding is so bad. Maybe it's just the summer or maybe it was just the winter. I don't know, but the shedding was just so bad. I sometimes use the Talia Wajid leave-in conditioner, not all the time. It's just when I remember. I'll sometimes use castor oil after I wash my hair or like a lock butter. But other than that, like, I'm still using the same products that I've been using since day one. I still retwist with the same locking gel. Speaking of retwist, so my Locaverary was May. It was in May, at the beginning of May. And I decided to do a retie. I know. I said I wasn't going to do a retie with this Loc Journey, but I just wanted to try it because I was like, it's been 3 months since I retwisted my hair, so I'm just going to retie and see if I like it. And it only lasted like a few months. Like, my hair was just growing way too fast for it to get a retie, or they were slipping out or something. So I decided to continue on with my retwisting in June. But the retie, it was nice. But like I said, it didn't really last as long as I thought it would be. I can kind of still see it in my locks. I can kind of still see where I retied in my locks. And then that's where I retwist and I still have like new growth. Like, I don't know. Like, that's just how it's gonna be. Did I retie my locks right? I don't know, but I did it. And I only did a 2-point rotation because I didn't want them to be like extremely tight. But yeah, I'm not probably gonna do that again. It just took way too long. It took maybe like 4 or 5 hours to retie all my locks. But it was nice to be able to just like go to the pool and like get in the pool and then wash my hair and I'll still look like I had a fresh retie. I didn't take any pictures, unfortunately. Like I said, I was not thinking about anything YouTube related while I was in school. I just wasn't thinking about it, sorry. So let's talk about my edges. So I talked to y'all about using minoxidil and pretty much I had an allergic reaction and all my edges fell out, and that was probably another reason why I didn't want to do YouTube, because I was not feeling confident. Like, I had bald spots on my edges and I honestly didn't think they were gonna grow back, but they did grow back and I am so lucky that they did. And I should have been grateful with the edges that I had, because who would have known that I would have formed an allergic reaction to minoxidil. But it did work. But like, looking back at some of my pictures, I was just like, this doesn't even look like me. Like, the hairline doesn't look like me. Like, I always had like a boxy hairline, and like having my hairline just come like up here, it just wasn't really giving like me. But it did work for the most part. Like, my edges were full, but luckily my edges grew back. This is what they look like. I guess some of them are still kind of like, I laid them yesterday, but I guess some of them are still kind of like baby hairish, I guess. I don't know. But I'm happy that my edges are growing back. They're still trying to like low-key grow back, but it's better than what it was. I've been using virgin hair fertilizer and a 10-in-1 hair growth oil around my edges, and I'll mix them up and make a little concoction, and then I rub it in on my edges, and I feel like that has really helped them grow back. But yeah, we're not gonna do minoxidil anymore. Maybe down the road, I don't know. I'm not gonna say not, but like right now, minoxidil is not in the picture. But that's pretty much my update. I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all, hey, and I'm still here. Y'all should be seeing a little bit more of me now that I have gotten through the hard part of school, and I'm about to start clinicals tonight in December. So hopefully like things will start to feel a little bit normal. But it was like a really hard transition for me to like get back into the school mode. But that is the end of my update. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.